How to add song in Instagram story. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can add song in Instagram story, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to add songs to your Instagram story, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here, and once you've launched the Instagram app, you will see this type of interface where you just want to go about uploading your story over here. And once you, let's say, go into ahead and then select a story that you would like to select here, and then you would like to add a song to this, you'll find the music icon right over here. Now this is the new update, but just in case you don't find it, you can look for the sticker icon here, and when you go to sticker icon, you can also access the music sticker in this way. And now you can just go ahead and then choose the music that you would like to add, and then after that you can also go ahead and then add them in different formats if you'd like. And this way you should be able to go ahead and then add songs in Instagram story. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.